In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and control Discord group chats. Let's start right from the beginning so you can get a group going in just a few taps. First, open the Discord app, head to your direct messages inbox, which is where all your private conversations live. Look for the option to start a new direct message, then choose new group. You'll see your friends list. Select the people you want in the conversation. When you're ready, tap create and your group chat is set up. If you're on desktop, the flow is the same. Open your DMs, start a new group DM, pick your friends and create. Now let's talk about control and customization so your group feels organized. To rename the group, open the group chat and click or tap the group name at the top. Type in a new name that clearly tells everyone what the chat is about, then confirm. Clear names make it easier to find later. To change the group icon, open the group chat settings and click the camera icon. Choose an image from your device, crop it if needed, and save. A distinct icon helps your group stand out in the DM list, especially if you're in multiple chats. If notifications get noisy, you have options. On desktop, right-click the group DM in the sidebar and select Mute. You can choose how long to mute. Alternatively, open notification settings inside the group and customize exactly what alerts you want, like only mentions. This keeps you in the loop without constant pings. Managing members is straightforward, with one important rule: only the group creator can remove people. To remove someone, open the group DM, view the members list, select the person and choose remove from group. If you don't see the option, you're not the creator. If you decide the chat's not for you, leaving is simple. Open the group DM, click the three dots at the top and select leave group. You'll exit the conversation and stop receiving messages from it. A quick note on permissions. Group DMs don't have admin roles or moderation bots. There's no advanced moderation and generally only the creator can remove members and change the name or icon. If you need features like roles, channels, moderation tools, or bots, a private server will give you that level of control. That's it. You now know how to create a Discord group chat and manage its name, icon, notifications, members, and limitations. Keep things organized, set clear expectations, and you'll have a smooth, focused group conversation